All right, this is part 2 of pressing the front bearing into the knuckle of a 2002 Subaru from my buddy Ron. This go around, we've got the new bearing in, sitting inside the groove. When you do these, don't forget to take your retaining ring out, your snap ring. Otherwise when you pop your bearing out of the knuckle the first go around, you're not going to. So make sure you do that. So this go around, what we've got is we've got the cinder block here. It's precarious at best. And then we're using the old outer casing of the old bearing to press up against the outer casing of the new bearing. They're exactly mated together, so all of the force should be exerting on the outer casing. You do not want to press against the inner casing. That's going to push your actual bearings up against the inner casing and push those right out of your outer casing. You do not want that, okay? So we're gonna give this a shot. I've lubricated the interior, the surface of the knuckle with some WD-40. WD-40 does evaporate. These surfaces are under pressure, so that'll be gone, obviously through use, so we don't want to have any grease or anything in there because we obviously don't want the outer race moving whatsoever. All right, so here we're going to give it a shot. Go ahead and turn my air on. And again, if this all goes well, and oftentimes it won't, but we'll give it our best shot. Here we go. All right, so you can see that it's going. So we're just going to take it nice and easy, Go ahead and turn the air off. I'm going to go ahead and release my jack. And we're going to check it. So we're not in all the way, and that's fine. What we're waiting for is that groove where our snap ring goes in. So we're going to do this just one more time. I don't anticipate that we're going to have any problems. We're just going to keep going down in there, and then we'll pick it back up where we find that groove for that snap ring.